Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if text on your iPhone feels too small to read comfortably, or you want better visibility without straining your eyes, turn it on and adjusting text size is the solution. In iPhone settings 2026, Apple gives you precise control over text size system, wide and even per app, okay? So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on and adjust text size on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open settings on your iPhone. So go to settings option. So this is where all display and accessibility option live. Okay, so now scroll down and tap display and brightness. Okay, so you have to look for the display and brightness, tap it. This section controls how text and visuals appear on your screen. So now tap text size. Okay, so as you can see, here is the option, tap it. So you will see a slider at the bottom, as you can see here. Okay, so drag the slider right or left. Okay, so adjust the text size slider. So if you drag it to the right, okay, it will get the text bigger. But if you do it the opposite, I mean the left, if you drag it to the left side, it will get smaller text. Okay, so text changes preview in real time. So this affects settings, messages, mail, notes, and supported apps. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.